Hello ladies and gentlemen, then I'll be here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this particular game app that has up to 24 games in it. As you can see presently on this game app, I have a lot of games I've put there and they are beautifully arranged. I love the interface, it's very beautiful. And also this particular game app, we're going to be able to put forum. You can see forum here, and also going to have a place where we can put news. So this is a full package game app that has both games, up to 24 games. It has forum and it has news that people can read news on. And I'm also going to show you how you can actually generate this bottom menu. So this is a bottom menu, this is a top menu. So I'm going to show you how you can do everything in this video. So guys, so let me just walk you through some other things. And if just for example, I want to just click on any video to just watch the video. Let's say I want to click this first one here. I click on that first one here, then you can see an ad is running under. It means that the more people come to my website, so this is an ad running under there, the more they come to my website, the more I make money. So apart from this, you can see this ad running. When they come to my website and they play game, people enjoy playing game, I keep making money. And one thing I like about this thing is that they only need data to just enter the app. Immediately they're in the app, they can off their data and they continue playing their games. But you can just tell them that okay, you only need data to get access. Immediately you are into the app, you can off your data and you can continue enjoying your game. Just for example, I want to play this game. I actually love this ant game a lot. Just kill the ants, kill them, something like that. Alright, just keep it. So that's how you can do that. And the other function that this app is forum. So when I click on forum under here, you see this forum is going to open up for me here. And in this forum is beautifully arranged. I love the fact that it's arranged beautifully. You have put in these 4 categories, and people can come to each of these categories, and add a new topic and ask question. Since this is a sport, this is a game, something. So I actually put the category that I think is related to games. So you can see general discussion. They can ask any question they like. People can just interact. So people will stay long. They'll be long on your app, and you keep making money. Because the more they are on your app, the more you keep making money. In the sense that the ad, the opportunity to review the ad. And the beautiful thing, like when you now decide to put your game on Google Play Store, you have opportunity to able to put Google Ad Mob, and this is going to give your users a personalized ad, and it's wonderful. But actually, to be able to put your games on Google Play Store, that's another video entirely. But you can actually download this, you can actually get this your game running, and ad will be running on it. This is a star.io ad, and you can make money from it. Share it to friends and family, you keep making money. Now the last part of this particular game app is news. When I click on news under here, I actually integrated my own website, which is my own blog there. So you can actually integrate any blog you want to put there, any new news content, any news you want to put there, and it's going to display like so. This is my own website that is displaying right inside my app. So this is a beautiful game app. I have 24 game app here. So you have a menu well arranged, and this is what you are going to learn in this video. So guys, make sure you watch this video to the very end. Share this with your friends and family. Please, I have a special offer. I have a special request to make. Please, I want to get to 5,000 subscribers. Please, I need you to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that I can actually achieve this 5,000 subscribers within the next few days. Please help me as I'm creating, as I'm doing a lot for you guys. So please, just the what I want for you to do for me is to watch this video, like the video, share this video with friends and family, and also please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that I can grow and I can be motivated to go outside there, make research, and do more video for you. Share this video with friends and family, and don't forget that if you have any question, you can ask below. I'll be glad to answer it. So guys, let us jump right into the video on how you yourself can create this wonderful game app, up to 24 games in it. It has forum and it has blog right inside of it, and you can make money for me. So guys, let's jump right into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to come to your browser here and search for this particular website, which is AppCreator24. Using this AppCreator24, so this is a beautiful website that can use to create games without code. You can create a lot of games. In fact, I'm experimenting with this game, with this app. So I'm experimenting with this website, and it is so amazing. As in, the possibility it can do is unlimited. So guys, just sign up. If you don't have to sign up, just come down here, up here, you sign up. But I've already signed up, so I'm going to sign in into my account. I'm going to click on this and put in my details and click on sign in. So when I sign into my account, I'm going to show you how things can be done, the interface of it, and I can tell you that it's not intimidating. So these are the apps I've created so far. So then just come here. So you yourself, you see this this particular one, create app. Click on create app. When you click on create app, the next thing you're going to do is to give your app a name. So let me give this app a name. Let me just call it my everyday game. Something like that. Just call it any name. My everyday games. I'm going to call this on my everyday game. You can call it anything. So the next one is for you to choose your your app icon. So this way you can choose your app icon. You can either choose from file or you can choose from gallery. So I would advise you to choose from file. It means that go and download an icon that needs to do with games. So for example, you can come to this website here, which is known as, actually downloaded this one from this website here, which is pngwing.com. So you can come to pngwing.com and search for, maybe just search for games, just search for game and click on search. So you'll see so many icons that is related to game. Don't use this one, please. You see, so you can use any of these ones. They are beautiful icons that are related to games, Okay, I think this, you can also use this pad. You can use this game pad, something that is related to games. You're going to see a lot of them. Just try to be careful and don't use the one like this is the one I use. So this is what I'm going to use. I just download it. So download it, then you come back to your AppCreator24 here. Then you click on choose file. So you choose that particular file. I'm going to choose file. So I'm using my own phone here. Your own phone may have different interface, but basically it's still the same thing. So now that I'm here, I'm just going to search for that particular icon. So let me search for that. So this is the icon here. I'm going to click on that. So when I click on that icon is going to come me. It's going to be uploaded. You can see it has been successfully uploaded. So the next thing I'm going to do is to give my app a description. So I'm going to type here, this is the best game app ever. You can put something other than this. So let's start to put this something very short. That you click on next. So when you click on next, this is going to save, and when this save, you are going to go to this place where you can choose your style. So yeah, I'm going to choose another style. In previous video I like choosing the dark style, but I think that the dark style is going to go well for these games. So I decided to choose this blue. You can try to choose blue or any other one to choose. Then I'm going to click on next. It's going to be saved. Now the next you're going to do here, you don't click on any one of these. You are not going to do this yet. Just come here. You see this create an empty app. You see this create an empty app. So this create an empty app we are going to use. So guys, just click on create an empty app, and this is going to come straight to you. This place is telling you to go to your app manager. So click on go to app manager. So now this is when everything gets interesting. So guys, we're about to start the website. We are about to start the app creator in full. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you have to subscribe, like this video, share this with your friends and family. I beg you, please. Alright guys, so just come here. Here you guys in this left icon here, you see so many icons. So we'll be making use of them. I'm going to explain to you what they are all there. So the first one you're going to click on is this one known as section. So click on section. When you click on section, then you click on create section. So we're using section to create a lot of things. Now these games you are seeing, they are all sections. Everything you are seeing on this my game app here, they are sections by section. Everything is section. So we're using section. Okay, this is an ad shown under here. So this is a section. You can see them. This section. All these games are section. The menu buttons are sections. So guys, we're using section. A lot of section. So you just come here, click on section, then you come here and click on game. So the first section I want to create is the game. So click on game. Now there are a lot of games you can actually get in place. So I'm going to click on select here. So there are a lot of games you can actually select. I think there are about 108 games. So you don't put everything there. Don't put all the 108 games there. But at least you can put like 20. Then later on you can decide to do upgrade, put 5 extra. Maybe like after 2 months or after 1 month you put extra again, so that people not become so bombarded with games. So you get. You can also ask people. You can also ask in your game that which one do you want them to remove? Want you to remove? So they can say, okay, this is not so good. They should move it for you. So this is going to be like a user something. So you get. So let me just say I want to select. Okay, I want to select this first game. So I'll select this one, Alpha. So when you select the game, then you give this title. You give your game a section title. Just give it the name of the game, basically. So I'm going to give it this particular name, Alpha Space Invasion. So I'm not going to type here Alpha. Just type the same Alpha Space. So I can just call it Alpha Space Invasion. This okay. Then when you are through with that, just come here and now this one have access to the legal board. Now having access to legal board means that when they play the game, and you log out, another person can log in, play the game, then they can see the list of people who have played the game and their scores, so you can know who is winning and who is not winning. But I myself, I don't like giving access to legal board. Ask me why. It's because it will encourage them to log in, and some people don't want to log in. They just want to play their game and enjoy their game. So me, I'm going to click no, but you can actually click yes if you want them to log in, so you can get their names. But I don't want to get their name. Just play the game, enjoy yourself. So if another person to play the game, let them play the game, enjoy themselves. Then you see ad, I show you ad, you watch ad, you enjoy games. So I'm going to click on no down there. I'm going to click on save. So I've already created the first session, which is the first game. So you do the same thing and you create more sections. So I'll click on section again, then click on create section. Just do the same thing. You can do like maybe 10, but this for this video not be so long. Okay, not card, please. Mistake. So you press games, then you click on select game. Let me select. I'll select game on random. Then I'll click on this select. This one is rise higher. So I'm going to type here rise higher. Then I'm going to click on no, the same thing I did earlier. I don't want lega board, so I click on no and save. So just follow the same process. Click on section, click on create section. I'm going to create some more games here. That I'll click on games. So when I click on games here, I'm going to click on select another game. So I'm going to select this particular game here. I'm going to give it Ant Smash. So I'm going to type here the name here is Ant Smash. Then I'm going to type no. I don't want lega board. I don't want user to log in. So click on no again, then click on save. So when I save this is just going to come here. Then I'm going to click on section again. I've added 3 games. So let me add more games. I'll click on create section. So this is how you can add games. So for this video, I'll add only 4 games. So you can add up to like 10 games, 15 games. Just make sure that the games, because we'll be using 2 columns, make sure the games are, if you're adding 12, so to be 6. If you're adding 20, to be 10. She understand. So yeah, let me add one more extra, not card. I'll click on games. Sorry, not card. All right. So okay, I think I'll come back to AppCreator. Yeah, come back to section, and okay, let me create one more game. Click on section, then click on game. Then I'm going to click on select. So when I click on select, let me just select one game. There are a lot of games here. Let me select this one, Drift Boss. Then I'm going to write the name here, which is what? Drift Boss? Okay, Drift Boss. And you can select as much as you want. There's so many games that you can put there. So just for this video, I'll select these 4 games. Then come here and click on save. Now we have successfully created 4 sections. So let me click on section again. So these are the 4 game sessions I've created in this game, in this video. So you can create more. Sure, you understand? I just show you, because if I start creating up to like 24, it's going to take time. So you can create, I advise to create up to like maybe 24 or 20. Select interesting games, game that you think is interesting. So it's very easy. You can after you selected the game, you can just download the app on your own phone and test the game. If the game is interesting, you leave it. If it's not interesting, you come back to this place here. So you want to remove any game, it's very simple. Just come back here. You can either edit the game and choose another one by clicking on this. Let me show you this pencil icon. You see this pencil? Okay, I think I've done something else. Okay, you can see this pencil icon here. Just click on this pencil icon to edit the game. Or want to remove the game totally, you click on this cancel icon. That is just it. So you can do that. Now, the next section I'm going to create, I've successfully created 4 sections. So I want to create this submenu section. Now, all this section they are seeing here, this is a section. They are all in a submenu. You get it? Now, when I click on games, you can see all these pop-up for me. All these sections are under a submenu. So I need to create a submenu section. Then I'll put each of these games under the submenu so that it can appear like this. I hope you are following me. Don't worry, it's not something difficult. It's easy. Just click on create section again. Then you come here and click on submenu. So when you click on submenu, I hope you are enjoying this game, enjoying this video, guys. So please ensure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please share this video with friends and family. Like this video. Please like this video. It's important you like this video so that you subscribe and you share this video with your friends and family. There are also a lot of important videos I'll be creating about this AppCreator24 that you're going to enjoy. So ensure you subscribe so you do not miss any one of it. So for this submenu session, I'm going to put all games. So I'll give the name of all games. I'll start selecting the game one by one. So you can see here, I'm going to click on add. Then this place here, you are seeing section here. This is where these things are. So then you come down here, you will see where you can be adding. So I've added the first one. I'll click on this menu icon again. So this second one is going to come up for me. I'll click on add. I'll click on it again. The third one will come up for me. I'll click on add. The fourth one will appear and I'll click on add. So actually you can move them as you want. So let's say for example I want to move this ant smash. Let's say for example I want to move it up to this place. All I have to do is to click on this up arrow. I'll click on this up arrow. So I click on this up arrow, you see it has moved. I click on it, it has moved again. So when I'm done, I'll just come here. Do you want the menu to be in the center? So when you see my menu here, they are all in the center. You can see they are center. this space here is equal to this space here. So I want it to be in the center. So I'm going to leave it as yes. Now, how many columns do you want? 2 columns. You can see here I have 2 columns. 1, 2, 1, 2. So I have 2 columns and 2 rows. Okay, I think 2 columns. Okay, I have 2 columns. Then leave the way. So basically, just leave them the way they are. Don't deal with anyone there. Just come down here and you click on save. So when you click on save, that submenu has been set for us. So you can actually download your game to see how your game look like and download it. But okay, let me download the game now and see how the game look like. So just come and click on download. So when you click on download, it's going to come upload for you like this. So there's sometimes it's going to tell you that you should wait. So if you just get your app immediately on the download, you have to wait for some few seconds actually. Then just click on download. So when you click on download, this my app is going to get downloaded. You can see downloaded. You can click on details to see how it's being downloaded. So is it up here? It's getting downloaded. All I have to do is to click on this, open again. Now, if this is your first time of actually downloading this your game, it's going to tell you that the game is harmful. I'm telling you again, it's not harmful. They're telling you this because the game is not yet on Google Play Store. So Google believe that since it's not on Google Play Store, it must contain some harm, but it does not contain any harm whatsoever. So after that, you can put your game on Google Play Store and that error is going to go. So for the install it, I'm going to click on open. So this is going to be our launch icon. You can see the beautiful icon. Now, these are all the games I've created. So basically, these are everything here. You know, these are when you look up here, you will see the games up here. Okay. These are the games up here, and one of the game is opening, and the game require me to just put my phone in landscape mode. But now I want this game to look beautiful, guys, because it's not looking anything like this one we have created here. So that is what we want to do now, make it look beautiful. So to do that is very simple. Just come back to your Chrome here, any browser you are using, and this time around just click on back so that this thing can go back. Then come here and click on section. So making use of section again, and this particular section that I want to do is I want to have a bottom bar, like this bottom bar here. I want everything to be on bottom bar like this, so it's going to be easy for me to do. Now, before you do that, it's important you move. If this all games here is under here, it's important you move it to be the first option. Is important so that when you click on your game, so for example, now if I should come here and this one now, if I should come here and if I click on, see, this is where the all games are. This is what I ought to have. But when user log in, because of this one is the number one. So immediately they open your app, it automatically come to this particular game. So let me show you what I mean now. Let me now move this all game up here. So you know how to move it. Just click on this arrow and the thing will be moving. I hope you can see that. When I do that, just click on save setting order. So now if I should come back to my everyday game and I should click on back and I open it afresh again, you can see that it's going to go straight to the all menu tab. Now it has gone straight to the all menu tab. Now this is where your user can decide to click on any game of their choice which they want to. Please, I hope you are following me in this particular video. All right, guys. So now we have done that. Let's do other thing. The next I want to do is I want to put this bottom menu there. It's very important you put bottom menu so that your game will be your thing will be well organized. Okay, so let's click on design. And you can see bottom menu. So here is the bottom menu. So this is the bottom menu I'm using. I'm going to click on bottom menu. Okay, bottom menu. I'm going to click on bottom. Just click on yes. I want you to show. Now, the first one I want to do, you want to put all games. So I'll choose. Now, since you only have one submenu, and that submenu is all games, so I'll only put one all game now. So later on, I will do the rest of the section and I will include them in the submenu. So come here. Let's choose file here. Now, this choose file here, I need to pick an icon. So I will show you how you can actually download an icon. So let me come to my download. My download. So make sure that you pick an icon. So one of the way you can choose an icon is so I'll use this icon. So just come to your browser here and go to this iconfounder.com. So you see, just go to icon founder. So this is the URL icon founder iconfinder.com. When you just search, you see that search icon. You just search for games. So you can see these are the search I've made. So the search I've made, you can see them here. I'm not adding anything from you. So you can see the search I've made. So you can also actually make search, then you download it. So I downloaded this game icon. That is why I have access to the game icon here. Then you give the title. I'm going to give the title all games because I want all games to be here. Then this open is just open. Click on open section. Then I want it to, when people click on all game, I want you to open all games. See, you get. Then come here, you click on save. So let me show you what we just did now. Let me show you what it's going to do to your game. So when I come back to my game just, okay, click and back so you can open afresh. You will see that we're going to have a button. We'll have a button menu. So you can see a button menu now. It's now here. So this is how a button menu is going to look like. You can see it's now in this place. We have all games there. So all people have to do is click on all games, and all the games is going to open. So the next thing I want to do, I want to take care of this. I don't like the way this is appearing. I want to take it away. So we'll add other menu. We'll see how the two other menu, which I'm going to show you later on in this video. So now that I've done that, just come here and click on main. Okay, click on main icon. Okay, not main, leave main icon alone. Click on menu types. Now the menu type we have is the top menu. Change it to sliding menu. So when you choose your sliding menu, now in your sliding menu, you can put a header image, but I won't put header image. Just leave it the way it is and click on save. So when you click on save, now what we just did now, let me show you what it's going to do to your app, to your game app. Let's click on back. This particular thing here, this particular menu is going to live here and it's going to appear at the side. So that is going to appear at the side and it's going to make your work to be neat. So let's press back and back and let's open the game again. Alright guys, so I hope you are enjoying this video because I enjoy creating the video. So you can see that this your game menu has already left this place. Now it is now at the back side. I think it's beautiful that way. As in it's beautiful that way. You can see it now. It now looks more appealing. So the next thing I'm going to do is let me create some other section. Let me create the forum section. So you come back to section here, then click on create section. Now this is the forum section I want to create. So you can see in this my own app here, I have this forum section here which I put stock. You can see, so I want to create this and also to create the whole section so I can add them to the menu so that the video will not be so long. So guys, just come here and you search for, you come here and just, nothing like that, just look for, you look for forum. So this forum here, I click on forum. Now this forum, give it a name. So since it's forum, I'm going to call it forum. And now, do you want to allow images? Yes. Do you want to allow click on links? I'll put no. Because if you allow people to be clicking on links in your form, they will leave your app as early as possible. They will leave. But I don't want that to happen. I want them to still remain in my app. So any link you are sending is not going to go. No, I don't want link, please. So likes on topic, yes. Likes on answer, the rest of them, just leave them the way they are. Then you come to this place here. This is place that you can add categories. So here is how you can add categories to your menu. So what are categories? I think I showed you that in the introduction of the video. So if I click on my forum here, you will see categories. It's going to open up for me. Now this thing you are seeing here is all categories. So these are categories you are seeing, and it is what is going to open up for me. So I'm just going to come here and add category. So the first category I want to add is, I'll probably call it general discussion. Then click on add. Now the next one I want to add here is game discussion, or you can add another category. You can also add like football, and a lot of people like football, so I say football discussion. Okay, like that. Then I'm going to enable this, please. Enable that. It's only you that can add categories, so that your people, some people are funny, they'll just add rubbish. Just make sure that it's only you that can add categories. So enable this one. Only admin can publish category. When you are done with that, just come down straight. So you can do anything you want to do here, but basically leave them the way they are. So let's see if there's something that we need to off here. Let me see. So this one now, it requires them to log in. Yes, they have to log in so you can have access to their details. Okay, so just do that. Then come here and you click on save. So when you click on save, it's going to come up with an option for you that you need to include permission. So you go to general setting and go to allow the app to locate, to get their location. So I'll come to general info here, come to name and icon here. Then here, just scroll down here, you will see this option here, include permission to users location. Click on yes and click on save. So now I've successfully done that. It's going to, okay, right here, notes, you change the icon, is necessary to generate. All right, so I'm going to just click on okay. Just click on okay. So it means that you have to regenerate this stuff again. So let me see if that has been done. Okay, so that has been done for us. The next thing I'm going to come here is to come to section. So you see section here. I want to add this forum to section. We add this forum to the section. If I add the forum to the to the section, there's something I want to do again here. And what I want to do is I want to click on create section. So I'll click on create section and I want to put a website, like a blog. So I'll click on web. So now you can put any news you want to put there. You can put any sports news. If I would advise you to put a sporting news or any sporting news, maybe football or any other thing, just put them in your app so that people can read what is going on. You can also go to online and search for it. But yeah, I'm just going to put this section. Let me just put update news, and just call it news, and just go to your browser here and search for the news you want to. So let's say I want to use Punch. So let's say I want to use Punch here in Nigeria. So I just search for Punch. I think this is our website, punchng.com. So just come here. I'm going to just edit that and click on, just copy that. But there's a way I can actually get this point. I want to have the APG that everything is going to load at once. So let me come here. Just search. I'm going to search for Punch News. Punch News. When I type for Punch News, I'll click on this first one so that I can have that AMP. So you can actually use the URL itself, but I decided to use this particular one so that all image is going to load at once. You can see all image is going to load at once, apart from the ad actually. So all image is going to load at once. Then I can just come back to my AppCreator24 here. What is that? Then I'm going to put this particular URL. I'm going to select that, copy that, then click on save. So then I'll click on save. This is going to get saved for me. Now our app is coming in function little by little. So let us add these two that we just created now. This particular, let us add them to the bottom. So when you come to your game here, you will see that it has not been added to the. We only have all games here that will be added to the bottom menu. So we want to add the other one so that it can be added to the bottom menu. To do that is simple. Just come back here and click on bottom menu. So on this bottom menu, in case you did not see that, so this is where I clicked on. So let me show you. This is where I clicked on. You can see bottom menu. So I click on this bottom menu. Now this time around, you click on choose file. Just follow the same process. Go and download a chat menu because I want to include forum. You go to app icon founder, then search for chat menu, search for chat. So I actually downloaded this one, which is stock. So I'm going to just come here and write the title. I want it to be forum. So I'll put forum as title, then click on this one, click on open section. Now the section I'm going to select is going to be forum. Now go to the third one here. Add the third section. I'll click on file, then I want to add news. So I think I downloaded this newspaper, something like that. Then come here, and this place I'm going to put news, or you can put it in capital letters actually. So here you just put open section and you select news. So after you're done that, just click on save. So guys, our app is forming little by little. So let's come back to our app. You may need to generate your app again. You might just need to do that. So let's see. So if you do any updates in your app, it's going to prompt your user to download a new one. Do you understand? So I will click on download again. If you do any major updates, let me say that again, major update, it will prompt your user to download the game again. So guys, like if you just add like maybe new games like that, your user might need to download it again, and you see the same process. You just download the game, then install it, or most time it's going to be updates. If the game is already on their phone, it's going to be updates. So they update the game. It's not the same way you do that on Google Play Store. If your game is on Google Play Store and there's a new version, when you go there and you will update it. But this one, you click on download and you now update it. So this has been updated for us. So this is now opening. I hope you get the gist, guys. It's updating, and you can see now we have gotten all our bottom menu. They are all beautifully set. You can see them all here, all beautifully set. So let's click on forum, for example, and see how the forum is. So for the forum, they need to put their name. So I'm just going to, that's all this privacy policy something. I'll click on this. Okay. I need to give them permission. Permission is required. So I mistakenly skipped that. So let me do that again. Come here and okay, because we asked that they should be able to ask for permission. So I'll click on OK, and I'm going to click on give permission to locate my location. Then give it in my name. Just call it Daniel. That's my name, Daniel. I'm Daniel. Then okay, choose your gender. I'm a male. Okay. Now you can set all this that they got option. You can set it to be required. If you want to put that birthday, but I think Nigeria is already enough. So this gender, although it's optional, I can make it to be required. So I just come here and click on save, so that I can have access to. So my forum is going to open up forum. So these are the form I've set, and they are beautiful, guys. They are beautiful forum. You can do things that you want to do. All right, guys. So now that I've done this, so the next thing I can do is let's click on this news. So when I click on this news, we are integrated Punch News. You can see Punch News is beautifully showing on your app. Yeah, you can integrate any news of your choice. In fact, there are other things you can do here. You can actually put different news here. But that was going to be another video entirely. But I think one news is enough. So since this game app, don't put punch. Put any sports website. Don't put punch. But I just like to put this just to show you how this is going to work. So now you can see our app has been successfully created, beautifully created. So now let us make this to appear side by side, I think, or you can leave it like this. If you're making just few games, maybe like 4 or 5 or 10, then they can come like that. But if you're making up to like maybe like 20, please let them be side by side so that it's going to be visible. But if I'm the one creating like maybe like 4 or 5 games or 10 games, I'll just leave them at the one single side like that. So let me come back to our app creator 24 and let me conclude this video, guys. So okay, let's come back to app creator 24. Where's that? So where's that? Okay, this is it here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on, okay, I've done that. So let's click on section again. So on section here, you can just see these all games. I'll click on all games and numbers of column. Okay, it's 2. Okay, I think we left it as 2. I think that is okay for me. And you can actually do other things you want to do here. You can do other things. If you want it to be 3, you can just come here and select 3. So the numbers of columns is going to be 3. If you want that to be, if you want that, no problem. So if you click on 3 and you click on save here and you come back to your game app here, you click on back and back to close that and open it. So let's see what is going to happen. Okay, basically nothing happened. Nothing happened, and nothing happened because your game is very small. So if you add more games to it and you leave it as 2, it's going to become just like the one I've showed you earlier. So guys, I believe you have enjoyed this video a lot. So let me show you one thing here. If you come to my own game here, my game brought a message at the beginning. So let me show you my own game and the message it brought at the beginning. So this is the game I created. Let's see, this is my own complete app game. So if I should log out now, so let me say I log out here, you will see that it's going to put a message like you can say welcome, enjoy. So this particular thing, you can actually do that. Just come to your app creator 24 here. Here you're going to see send notification. So click on send notification. So here you can actually create send message as notification, or you create and manage notification category. So I can click on send message as notification here. So it basically is just anything you want to put here. I can just put the title to be welcome, and I'm going to, you can just like this this message now. When you do the message now, every of your subscribers, every of your app users is going to get this message, and you can make them to open, something like that. It can be a custom message. So after I've done that, okay, I have to put a sub menu here. Let me just put some menu. We are glad to have you. Then do a click on next. Now I can now put the message I want to have here. Kindly keep enjoying this app. So you want to send any message to every of your app user, you can do that, and you click on next and click on next. So this is going to appear. Glad you are welcome. So now they can now decide to click on open, and that is that. So when I click on send, every of my app user is going to get is going to be sent to them a very short while. So let's click on send notification again, and this time around, so this is the first message they are going to get. So number of sends is I'm the only one that actually have this app on my phone, so it's going to be 1. So you see a lot of it like that. So guys, okay, so let us go very fast. Let me come to where you can put now this product here. We're not adding any product yet. So you can do that. You can manage category management, this and that. So let me see what I want to do here. Send notification. So now the next one I want to add here is for me to be able to add okay, now this is where this is message, like they will get individual message. Now if you want that introduction, this is where you come to. If you want that introduction, this is where you come to. That one I showed in the beginning, I just click on this launch message. So you're going to just put what the title here is: welcome, keep enjoying this app. So it's like that. Not this app, enjoying this app. So let me just keep enjoying this app. Just put something that's cool there. Then you can just this button, click on save. So when people come to your game here, you can see these 2 things you have sent there. If I come to this my game here, I click on back and back, you will notice that the first thing is going to tell me is that launch message, which is going to be this. So I click on OK. So when I click on OK, every of my game user is going to have a notification which is going to contain what I want them to see. So you can see it here. We are glad to have you. So this is the notification, and if I've put a link, it's going to go to the link I want them to. And so this is the link. I put the link here. So if I want to put a link to anything there, I'll put the link so that they can actually go there to enjoy it. So guys, this is how you can do that. So now, what about if you want to change this color from this blue, want to change all this color? It is possible for you to change those color. Now, to be able to change the color, you just come here. You can see this place under this design. You see colors. So now you can select any color. The color I selected is blue. So you can select this red material and you click on save. So when you select that and you come to your app here, click on back and back. So your app is going to change color. It's going to change from that blue to red. Apart from the bottom is going to be the same way, the way it is, and you can see it's now red. So you can see now red. So guys, I'm going to end this video here. Now, if I end the video, let me show you how you can integrate ad to your game so that you can make money from it. Just come down here, you click on ad. So this is where the ad is. In case you missed that. So this ad here, you click on ad. Now you can actually put all this ad here, but most of them require you to put your game on Google Play Store first. But start.io, you can actually get it done without putting your game on Google Play Store. So I use that a lot. So just click on this start.io and their website is going to open up for you here. Just click on start monetizing or sign up. You know, when you see there, I'm saying start monetizing because I have the account. I've already signed up to the account. So when you click on it, it's going to go to where you can actually log in, which is going to be portal.start.io. So when you get to that place here, all you have to do is to just put in your app there, and you get a series of number that you can just copy, go back to AppCreator24 and put those number there. So let me just let this to open so I can show you what that means. Okay, this is currently open. Just have to give you some time. If I was signing up for the first time, give you some time for sign up. All right, so this is the amount of money I've made so far. This particular game I just created, I've made just 1 cent from it. Okay, no, not so bad. And I've not sent it to so many people. I've only sent it to just few people. So just few people are using it. So, and that is that. So to be able to put, okay, this is the total amount of money I've made. Just 1 cent. No, it's 0.1 cent. So the more people that come to your app, the more they stay there and play game, the more you keep making money. So you get, guys, keep making money. So just come. If you want to add new app, you can see under this bottom menu here, you can see all ad. Click on all ad there. All you have to do is to come up here and you're going to click on this plus icon. Click on this plus icon. When you click on this plus icon, then you are going to come here and click this one that your app is not yet published. Just click here so that they can give you type of ad. So you put the name of your ad there. You choose Android. So you leave no and you click on add app. So I'm just going to copy the one I've added before here. So just not waste so much time. So I'll copy it. So you have a series of number like this. Not copy this my. If you copy this my way, it's me that making your money. Do your own. Copy your own number. So I'm going to come back to my AppCreator24 here. Then the end place I say this start.io. Now I want that to show banner ad. So I'm going to enable, put that code there in the banner ad. I want it to also want it to show let's see. Now this banner ad, you can put it in, you can put it at the top or you put it at the bottom. I think the bottom is better. So I want it to also show an interstitial ad. So just click on this interstitial ad, click on put that, and okay. Interstitial ad means when they are moving from one page to another page, you want ads to show. But if you don't add to show, you can decide not to put it in that place. So yeah, I want I also want to show them a native ad. Okay. And I also want to show them a native ad in the menu and sub-menu, just because it's a game. I want to make money, I also want to put ad in the in chat. And okay, now since I did not enable rewarded video, so I cannot leave that. So I'm doing, after I'm done, just click on save. So when you click on save, guys, we are through with this video, Please, if you enjoyed this video, if you have enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to this video. So let us view everything and see how things go. Now our game is opening for the first time. So maybe you put that ad. So you have put this launch message, which is welcome. I think most app have that. So you can do that. So you can see an ad. An ad has been opened. So this is an interstitial ad. And ad is going to open for them to just watch. They can come down here and click on no thanks. So they'll come to their game app here. So you see another ad showing under here. So you can put more games. I already included 4 games, so you can put more games and let the game to be side by side. Just put them in the 2 column. Then you can actually do anything you want to do. Play your game and do that. You can click on forum. So you see this ad going under here. You can click on news. Now this news, Punch themselves, they have their own ad. Now this ad that is showing is not your own ad. It is Punch newspaper ad. Your own ad is going to show under here. and probably I can even show on it. But just know that anyone you are showing on this particular website might not be your, as in this particular niche you have put, they may not be your own. But anyone you are seeing under, anyone be saying that is your own ad. So guys, I look forward to seeing the next video. I went this video in here. I enjoy creating this video a lot. So please, I hope you enjoy watching it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Share this video with your friends and family. Like this video, and I look forward to seeing the next video. Thank you so much. I love you. Take care of yourself. Do have a lovely day. Bye. Or lovely night. Anyone watching this video, do have a lovely moment in your life. Take care of yourself, guys.